Magandang araw, Future LPTs. Kamusta? Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan ngayon. Nagsimula ka na bang maghanda para sa paparating na Board Licensure Examination for Professional Teachers? O hanggang ngayon nahihirapan ka pa rin kung paano at saan magsisimula? Huwag kang mag-alala at ituturo ko sa iyo ngayon ang isa sa pinakamahalagang tao na dapat kilalang kilala mo bago ang iyong pinakahihintay na sandali. At yun ay ang buhay at mga gawa ni Dr. Jose Rizal na ating tatalakayin ngayong araw. Bakit nga ba kailangan siya na muling suriin at pag-aralan? Kasi under general education, hindi nawawala at maraming itinatanong tungkol sa kanya. Kaya dapat marami kang alam na impormasyon kung sino nga ba siya at ano ang mga kailangang tandaan sa kanya. Dahil hanggang sa board exam, bayani pa rin si Dr. Jose Rizal kung saan ililigtas niya pa rin tayo. Huwag na tayong magpaligoy-ligoy pa, simulan na natin. The law which provides the courses on the life, works, and writings of Jose Rizal, particularly his novels No Limitangere and El Filibusterismo, shall be included in the curricula of all schools, colleges, and universities, public or private. Ano nga ba ang batas na nagsasaad na dapat pag-aralan ang buhay at mga gawa ni Dr. Jose Rizal? Yan ay ang Republic Act 1425 na kilala rin bilang Rizal Law, ay isang batas ng Pilipinas na nag-aatas sa lahat ng paaralan na isama ang mga kurso sa buhay at mga gawa ni Dr. Jose Rizal sa kanilang curriculum. Sino naman ang Father of Rizal Law o may akda ng Rizal Bill? Yan naman ay si Senador Claro M. Recto, ay kilala bilang may akda ng Rizal Bill ng 1956 na kilala rin bilang Senate Bill number 438. Si Recto ay isang kilalang Pilipinong estadista at konstitusyonalista. Sino namang presidente ang nagpirma ng Rizal Law? Walang iba kung hindi yan ay si President Ramon Magsaysay who signed the Rizal Law on June 12, 1956. Philippine President who made December 30 as Day of National Mourning and Rizal Honor. That's General Emilio Aguinaldo. Itinakda ni General Emilio Aguinaldo ang December 30, 1898 bilang pambansang araw ng pagluluksa bilang karangalan ni Rizal. Rizal Day celebration is worth emulating kasi mayroong maraming bagay na kahanga-hanga at karapat-dapat tularan sa buhay ni Dr. Jose Rizal. Why did the Catholic Church oppose the passing of the Rizal Law in the 1950s? Kapag itinanong ito sa board exam, ang isasagot nyo ay Rizal had anti-church, anti-clerical viewpoints in No Limitangere and El Filibusterismo. Malinaw po ba? The complete name of our national hero. That's Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado Y. Alonso Rialonda. Kapag itinanong naman sa board exam, the gifted physician novelist of the propaganda, the most cultured of the reformists, the greatest hero of the Malayan race, known as the Masalang, Agno, and Laong Laan, I just die when the dawn breaks to the herald day, famous quote of Jose Rizal. Yan po ang isasagot sa lahat ng nabanggit. Malinaw po ba? Take note of this. Tinanong rin sa board exam kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng merkado if it is translated in English. It means merchant. Malinaw po ba? Kailan naman ipinanganak ang ating pambansang bayani? Our national hero was born on June 19, 1861. Saan naman ipinanganak si Rizal? The birthplace of Rizal is Calamba, Laguna, Philippines. Pangilan naman si Rizal sa magkakapatid. Siya ay pangpito sa 11 anak ng Mercado family. Malinaw po ba? Nickname of Rizal, that's Pepe. Sa aklat na In Excelsis, ipinaliwanag ng manunulat na si Feliz Prudente Santa Maria kung paano nakuha ni Rizal ang palayaw na Pepe. Si Saint Joseph ang di umano'y karaniwang tinanggap na ama ni Hesukristo. Sa Latin, ang pangalan ni San Jose ay palaging sinusundan ng mga titik na P para sa Pater Potabibos. Kapag tinanong naman kung sino ang ina at kauna-unahang guro ni Jose Rizal, that's Teodora Alonso Realonda y Quintos. Sino naman ang ama ni Rizal? Rizal's father is Francisco Ingracio Rizal Mercado y Alejandro. Sino naman ang nagbinyag kay Dr. Jose Rizal? The priest who baptized Rizal is Father Rufino Colantes. At sino naman ang godfather of Rizal o ang ninong ni Rizal? That's Pedro Casañas. Sino naman ang lolo ni Rizal? The grandfather of Rizal is Juan Mercado. Ang sunod nating tatalakayin ay ang kabataan ni Rizal. Rizal's body was frail and sickly. Also, Rizal's head is big. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit halos mamatay ang kanyang ina sa kapapanganak sa kanya. At what age Jose Rizal learned alphabet? That's 3 years old. At what age could Jose Rizal read and write? That's 5 years old. Take note, Rizal is described as polyglot or linguist. Because how many language can Rizal speak? That's more or less 22 languages. Also take note, Rizal is polymath because he excel both science and arts. Malinaw po ba? Ang sunod naman nating tatalakayin ay ang mga itinatanong tungkol sa edukasyon ni Rizal. Kapag sinabing informal schooling of Rizal, that's Calamba. Formal schooling of Rizal, that's Binyan. Rizal's companion on his first day in Binyan School, that's Pasiano. First teacher of Rizal in Binyan, that's Maestro Justiniano Aquino Cruz. Who bullied Rizal in Binyan, that's Pedro Aquino Cruz. Jose Rizal first brawl, what challenge did his classmates accepted from him? That's wrestling. School where Rizal took the entrance exam, that's Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Early education or first school of Rizal, that's Ateneo Municipal de Manila, wherein Bachelor of Arts course taken by Rizal. Favorite professor of Rizal and Ateneo, that's Francisco de Paula Sanchez. Incident that happened while Rizal was studying in Ateneo. That's imprisonment of Rizal's mother, Teodora Alonso, and three secular priests or the Gombursa were publicly executed. Courses taken by Rizal in UST, that's letters and philosophy of arts and medicine. Rizal obtained his licentiate in medicine, that's Universidad Central de Madrid. Also, natapos niya rin ang kursong Philosophy of Arts sa universidad na iyon. Take note, Rizal's attend seminar in the following university in relation with his profession. University of Paris, University of Heidelberg, University of Leipzig. The educated class called Ilustrados. Rizal's occupation, that's ophthalmologist. Rizal studied medicine to treat his mother failing eyesight. Yan ang rason kung bakit nag-ship ng kurso si Jose Rizal para gamutin ang kanyang ina na mayroong sakit na katarata. Rizal's teaching approach, that's progressive. Rizal's dog name, that's Usman, a big black dog. Rizal's pony name, that's Alipato. Animals name after Rizal. Ang mga hayop na ipinangalan kay Rizal ay ang Draco Rizali, Apogonia Rizali at Rhacoporus Rizali. Pag-usapan naman natin yung mga itinatanong tungkol sa buhay pag-ibig ni Rizal. Mayroong tatlong babaeng pinakamahalagang kailangang tandaan. Una ay ang first love of Rizal. That's Segunda Katigbak. Pangalawa, greatest love of Rizal. That's Leonor Rivera. Pangatlo, kapag tinanong naman kung sino ang pinakasalan or common low life of Rizal, and farewell sweet foreigner, my darling, my delight, Rizal's line refers to Josephine Bracken. Name of Dr. Jose Rizal's son, that's Francisco. Opo, nagkaanak si Dr. Jose Rizal kay Josephine Bracken. Subalit, ito ay namatay. Best friend of Rizal, that's Leonor Valenzuela. What about Austrian best friend of Rizal? That's Ferdinand Blumentritt, to whom Dr. Rizal sent his letter with this line, I am innocent of the crime of rebellion. I am going to die with tranquil conscience. That's Ferdinand Blumentritt. Ang sunod naman nating pag-uusapan ay ang kanyang mga nobela. Mayroon tayong tatlong kailangang tandaang nobela sa kanya at iisa-isahin natin kung ano nga ba ang mga itinatanong sa kanyang nobela na iyon. Kapag sinabing first written novel of Rizal, that's Noli Me Tangere, kung saan ang ibig sabihin ay Touch Me Not, also known as the social cancer. Published date and place of Noli Me Tangere, that's March 21, 1887 in Berlin, Germany. What about the cost for Jose Rizal to publish the novel Noli Me Tangere? That's 300 pesos for 2,000 copies. Kanino niya inaalay ang nobela na ito? This is dedicated to the fatherland. Also, it is inspired on Uncle Tom's Cabin by Harriet Becher Stowe. The novel Noli Me Tangere is about religion, love, and society. And tandaan nyo rin na mayroon itong 64 chapters. The Savior, Heaven Sent Financer of Noli Me Tangere, that's Maximo Viola. Ang sunod naman nating tatalakayin ay yung mga tauhan na itinatanong sa nobela ni Dr. Jose Rizal na Noli Me Tangere. Kapag tinanong sa board exam na the main character of Noli Me Tangere, ang isasagot natin ay si Crisostomo Ibarra. Crisostomo Ibarra was a Spanish mestizo. At tandaan nyo rin na si Crisostomo Ibarra was a student abroad who had his homecoming after 7 years. Jose Rizal's true love who personified Maria Clara in his novel Noli Me Tangere, that's Leonor Rivera. Symbol of abused Filipino mother, that's Sisa. Dying without seeing the dawn referred to the regret of not seeing the liberation of the Philippines, which was expressed by the dying character Elias. Tandaan nyo po to ha, kakalabas pa lang nito. Who warned Ibarra about the plans of Padre Salvi against him? Ulit, yan po ay si Elias. Pilosopo Tasio is a character in Noli Me Tangere personified by whom in reality? That's Pasiano. She pretends to be a Spanish mestiza with thick makeup on the face while trying to speak fluent Spanish. That's Doña Victorina. Filipino woman, meek, submissive, and obedient. That's Maria Clara. Kapag tinanong namang the second written novel of Rizal, that's El Filibusterismo, na ang ibig sabihin ay the subversive or subversion, also known as Reign of the Greek. At tandaan nyo rin na filibusterismo means one who's against the government. Published date and place of El Filibusterismo, that's September 18, 1891 in Ghent, Belgium. At tandaan nyo na ang El Filibusterismo is dedicated to the secular priest or the Gombursa. Also, it is inspired on the Count of Monte Cristo by Alexandre Dumas. First romantic book Jose Rizal read, that's The Count of Monte Cristo. The novel El Filibusterismo is about politics and revolution. El Filibusterismo in terms of style and content, that's El Filibusterismo is a political novel, a work of head, and a book of thoughts. At tandaan nyo rin na ito ay mayroong 38 chapters. The novel El Filibusterismo came off the press with the financial assistance of Valentin Ventura. The main character of El Filibusterismo, that's Simon. Symbolism of Simon, that's Philippine revolutionary. Simon is a wealthy jewelry who came back to the Philippines after how many years? That's 13 years. Symbolism of Vapor Tabo, that's social class divide. The girlfriend of Isagani who dumped him for another man, believing that she has no future if she marries him. That's Paulita Gomez. Merchant who donated money for the smuggling of Rizal's novel, that's Jose Maria Basa. The first Spanish friar to attack no limitangere, and el filibusterismo. That's Fray Jose Rodriguez. At ang panghuli o ang pangatlong nobela ni Rizal na hindi niya natapos o ang tinatawag na unfinished literary works or novel of Rizal, that's Makamisa. Ang sunod naman nating tatalakayin ay ang mga tula na kailangang isaulo na gawa ni Rizal. Kapag tinanong sa board exam na the first poem written by Rizal, that's Sa Aking Mga Kabata. The best poem ever written by Dr. Jose Rizal, that's Mi Ultimo Adios. Non-debatable evidence left by Rizal of his faith in God despite his being estranged from his religion. Again, that's Mi Ultimo Adios. Adios Patria Adorada, Region del Sur, querida Perla del Mar, di Oriente, Nuestro Perdido Eden. This is the first line in Rizal's poem Mi Ultimo Adios. Querida means lover. Morir is descansar, reflects Rizal's acceptance of death for his country. A translation of Rizal's farewell poem written by Andres Bonifacio in Tagalog, that's Pahimakas. Mi Ultimo Adios classified as elegy. Tandaan yan po ay elegy, hindi sonnet. Crowning glory of Rizal as a young poet in UST, that's A la Juventud Pilipina. Dr. Jose Rizal dedicated his famous poem A la Juventud Pilipina to the Filipino youth. That's the liberal-minded student at the UST. Youth as a hope of the nation, that's to the Filipino youth. Poem written by Rizal in Germany, that's A las Flores de Heidelberg, kung saan ang ibig sabihin ay to the flowers of Heidelberg. A melancholic poem of Rizal, that's Goodbye to Leonor. Sad poem of Rizal about Spanish oppression, that's They Ask Me for Verses. Jose Rizal poem dedicated to his mother, that's Mi Primera Inspiración, or ang ibig sabihin ay My First Inspiration. This poem Rizal describes the loneliness of being a wanderer as a volunteer in Cuba, that's Canto del Viajero. A poem about Calamba, that's In My Memory of My Town. Ang sunod naman nating tatalakayin ay kung ano nga ba ang mga itinatanong sa mga nasulat na essay ni Rizal at iba pang akda na kanyang nagawa. Kapag sinabing first published essay, that's El Amor Patrio. The book written by Rizal in defense of alleged laziness of the Filipinos, that's La Indulgencia de los Filipinos, kung saan ang ibig sabihin ay the indolence of Filipinos. Rizal's liham sa mga kababaihang taga-Malolos, he encouraged them to continue the advocacy for gender equality and liberation. The essay of Rizal, which was used as evidence that he encouraged the Filipino to launch revolution against, that's the Philippines a century hence. It is a socio-civic organization created by Rizal, that's La Liga Pilipina. Place where Dr. Jose Rizal conceived the idea of establishing La Liga Pilipina, a civic association composed of Filipinos, that's in Hong Kong, who helped Dr. Jose Rizal in preparing the Constitution of La Liga Filipina, that's Jose Maria Basa. Rizal focused on La Liga Filipina to, yan po ay to unite the whole country to fight violence and injustice, at panghuli, to revolt against Spaniards. Kapag tinanong naman sa board exam na the newspaper of the propaganda movement, that's La Solidaridad. Date of founding of the fortnightly newspaper La Solidaridad, that's February 15, 1889. Date of last issue of La Solidaridad, that's November 15, 1895. Pen name used by Rizal in his writings in La Solidaridad, that's Laong Laan or Laong Laan. Allegorical drama of Rizal, that's El Consejo de los Dioses, kung saan ang ibig sabihin ay the Council of the Gods. Lawyer of Rizal, that's Luis Tabiel de Andrade. What about bodyguard of Rizal? That's Jose Tabiel de Andrade. Governor General who signed and ordered the death sentence of Rizal, that's Governor General Camelo Polavieja. What about the method of execution of death of Rizal? That's firing squad. Last word of Rizal, that's consummatum est, kung saan ang ibig sabihin ay it's done or it's finished. Rizal died on December 30, 1896. Time of death at exactly 7:30 a.m. Jose Rizal died at the age of 35 years old. Rizal was exiled in Dapitan. Date when Rizal was exiled, that's July 14, 1892. Governor General who ordered the arrest of Rizal to be exiled in Dapitan, that's Eulogio Dispo. Metaphor of Rizal's life, that's the moth and the flame. At dyan nagtatapos ang ikatlong kabanata ng ating let review para sa general education. Stay tuned lamang po, future LPTs, para sa iba pang kaalaman na aking ibabahagi.